How to replace a steering wheel in a 2001 Dodge Durango. So here is my replacement steering wheel that's going to be going in the truck. Here's the truck, and let me go inside here. Alright, so as you can see, you see why we're replacing the steering wheel. Yep, someone broke the ignition. So under here, on 2000s, it is, well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding it on. There goes 1, there's 2, there's 3 right there. It's really hard to see. And then that's 4 right there where I got that on. And on a 98 to 98 to 2000, those bolts are 10 millimeters. On this one is a 1/2 inch. So we're going to take this off, and I'll show you the rest of the process when I get done with it. So let's go. Now we're going to start unplugging the wires. This thing here has a red tab. This is connected to your ignition box. This is where your key fits onto, right there. And there's a red tab right here on the side. You pull that, and then you pull this white thing here, and it comes right out. But obviously it was broke, so it really didn't matter too much, I don't think, by unplugging it, but I think I still had to unplug it. Now you got this thing up here up top. Once again, you pull the red tab and hit this little thing here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. And pull this. It should come right out. There we go. Alright, let's see. We got that unplugged. Might as well unplug this little wire right here. It should be able to do this with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna set you down. Okay, come on. All right, we got that unplugged. Let's see what else we got. Let me go on the other side. See what we got over here. Got. Now this thing, I gotta find a way to get that to pop out. So, oh yeah, it pops right out. Okay, there we go. And that sits down there. And I think we are done. I think we're done, ladies and gents. Down here, that bolt right there is a 15 millimeter, and I don't know what size is up top. And since the way the wheel is angled, I just got myself some locking pliers to go on there, and got a 5/8 socket to fit this bolt right here, and there you go, and it popped right out, as you can see. And there's the bolt. Okay, I got the, show you guys, it's still on the boat, but it's disconnected from the wheel now. So get this guy here, pull you up and out, and let's see, let's check this out. It's out. Oh, we did it. There she goes. But yeah, it's just get this straight lined up with that hole, and then yeah, I think this thing has something to do with it too, so pull that out and then line it up with the hole and it pulls right out of the wheel. Now I just got to get this wheel twisted so we can get it to come out. So let's try to finish this. It's a wire harness here. Oh, this truck had a recall for the shifter, see? So yeah, it needs to be replaced anyway. So thank you for whoever did this. Okay, come on out. Okay. All right. There we go. Clean out. Here she is. Hopefully it is just like the one that I'm putting in. So